Hello students, welcome to the course of Supply Chain Mastery for Data Analyst. This is lesson 6 of chapter 1. In this lesson, we will discuss common challenges and data gaps which analysts would face in the working environment. So the objectives are to recognize key data challenges in supply chain analytics, including stockouts, forecast errors, and missing shipment dates. Understand how poor data quality impacts business performance and decision making across the supply chain. Demonstrate how missing or inaccurate data can distort KPIs and lead to wrong conclusions. Okay, so let's begin with our today's chapter. When inventory runs out before the next replenishment cycle, that's a stockout for you, and that's your challenge one. It usually happens when demand forecasting is wrong or supplier lead times aren't tracked properly. And the impact they are lost sales, unhappy customers, and sometimes even penalties from retailers. For example, there is a product which your company produces. These are mobile phone accessories. The expected daily sales is around 100 units, but the stock available with you is only 50 units. But if you don't replenish it, there is stockout conditions, means 50 orders would be lost and there would be 25,000 rupees lost revenue, assuming that a per unit price for each product is around 500. Let's move to challenge number 2 of forecasting. Forecasting is about predicting future demand. When the data is incomplete or outdated, forecasts go wrong. It can lead to either overstocking, means too much capital or too much money is spent gaining those stock into your warehouse, or there might be understocking, means there are empty shelves, no inventory is there to be sold to the end customer. Okay, so this leads to lost sales. So in this table, a positive error means there is an over forecast, that is we produced more than what was needed. Okay, and the negative error means there is under forecast because we couldn't meet the customer demand. Let's move to challenge number 3. When supplier shipment data is missing or delayed, it affects planning, delivery promises, and customer satisfaction. And the impact is the inaccurate OTIF calculations, poor supplier rating, and regular escalations. Because the actual date is missing, you can't calculate the delay. That few blanks can throw off the entire KPI dashboard. By the look of it, you will see that other shipments were delayed by 1 or 2 days, and you take the same numbers so that you can calculate the KPIs. But what if your actual delay for those missing items was huge, like a 7 or 8 days? Okay, so that is an outlier for you, like your whole metrics for supplier performance will go for a toss, and at the end it's the company revenues and operations which are getting impacted. In this scenario, you should ask for complete data and do not assume anything. And even if you are assuming, declare it in a bold font on your slides while showcasing it to the stakeholders. So let me summarize this lesson. Bad data leads to bad decisions. So that's our first understanding. And as a data analyst, your first job is not just analyzing, it's ensuring data accuracy and completeness. Okay, so there's a practice activity for you. Again, there is an article link given in the description of this video. You have to read this article and list out 3 major risks discussed in this article. You can post those major risks which you have listed in the community forum. The community forum link is in the YouTube comment section or the video description. And see you in the next lesson.